In early December, we went for a desert hike, heading for the lands of the Wahiba Bedouins in Oman, the Wahiba Sands. A vast sand desert recommended to us by local Omani hikers that we contacted, and a beautiful place on earth that would leave us memories of extraordinary sunsets, sunrises and stargazing, while constantly reminding us of the beauty of nature. First thing to strike you is the silence and peacefulness as you wander off into the endless dunes. The quiet, soft landscape that surrounds you immediately gives you a sense of peace and tranquility. And watching the sun set from the top of a sand dune is priceless. Wahiba Sands is characterized by long raised areas of soft sand interspersed with low areas of rocky sand, creating a striped landscape that helps you navigate by counting valleys you pass or by following the stripes. As the sun rises over the sand desert, long shadows are thrown from the sand dunes all over the landscape, creating some of the most magical sceneries there is. A spiritual moment on earth as you silently stand in awe to the beauty of nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And most importantly, get out there and enjoy the outdoors yourself.